Leif, welcome to Floor Talk. It's wonderful to have you on the show today.
Thank you.
So I want to start off by talking about the company. Tell me about Public.
Public is an investing platform. And what we're really focused on is essentially to give people, so to say, like every opportunity to grow their wealth. And on the other end, we give them a lot of context around their portfolio.
And Leif, tell me, how is Public leveraging AI to improve access to research and information for investors?
We look at it more as like a spectrum. And so what we've built in the app is something we call Alpha, which is like an AI research assistant. And where it started really was just the ability to just swipe down on any stock and ask any question about that stock. If a stock makes a major move today, we'll show you a little card on the stock that actually tells you of like why that's happening. And you can tap on that, dig deeper into it, and so on. And where we really see that's going is where AI kind of like moves up the spectrum and kind of helps you more and more also in like in the way of how you construct your portfolio and how you even build yourself, your own investing products.
And what trends are driving investor interest in stocks, options, and assets like AI companies and Tesla?
You kind of have a new administration now that, at least appears to be so markets and business friendly that, you might not haven't had that since like the Reagan era and so on. And that is definitely something that obviously sparks a lot of excitement. And we've really seen literally from November 6th to now how trading volumes of equities have nearly tripled. Trading volumes of crypto has like over 6x and so on. And so really how there was, the election itself was like a moment that really changed, the behavior that we've seen and especially retail investors do in the markets.
And how are you addressing opportunities in the bond markets as rates remain uncertain?
Rates haven't been this high, and obviously some cuts have happened already, but still, generally speaking, haven't really been this high since like before the iPhone. So you essentially have a whole generation that grew up in the markets with fixed income kind of being irrelevant to them. As rate cuts come down, people are starting to see that, hey, they can actually lock in some of these higher yields for obviously multi-years into the future. And so one thing that we've, for example, launched is something called a bond account, which essentially makes that incredibly easy, right? You can think about it as just you deposit money and you earn that yield.
What is Public's approach to navigating the evolving crypto market and its regulatory changes?
There's obviously a lot of excitement that happened in the crypto markets. Like I said earlier, like crypto, volumes and just like the interest in cryptocurrencies have gone tremendously up, like over 6x even just on Public. But obviously everyone is kind of still holding their breath to see like what's actually going to happen and what rules are going to come out. And I think once those rules are a little bit more clear, I think that will truly, unlock a little bit of a new kind of era in the space. Crypto has matured, right? The ETFs came out and so on. And with all that, we've at least seen how the people who are buying crypto have matured as well. We see larger dollar amounts going into crypto. We see people with longer, just like investment experiences going into crypto. And people just holding much more than just trading cryptocurrencies. And so all that, I think, just speaks to the maturity, of the crypto markets. And obviously regulation will be hopefully a massive piece to just, make that even more mature.
All right, well, Leif, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thank you for joining me on Floor
Awesome.
Talk.
Thank you.